In this section we want to work with the equation of a line. The first problem I've written up here is find the slope and y-intercept for the line 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. Now you know from the reading that the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. That's the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line, and when a line is in that form, then the coefficient of x is the slope of the line and the constant term is the y-intercept. So for me to get this equation into this form, I need to solve for y. So I'll begin by adding negative 4x to both sides. That gives me this. Now I'll divide both sides by 5, or multiply by 1/5, whichever you prefer. I get negative 4/5 x plus 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now I can see that my equation is in the form y equals mx plus b, so the slope m is negative 4/5, and the y-intercept b is equal to 4. And it's just that easy when we work with the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Let's look at our next example. Find the equation of the line through the point negative 2, negative 5 with a slope of m equal 2. Now this time I'm going to use the equation of a line, the point slope form of the equation of a line, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So that's the point slope form of the equation of a line, and it says that if I have the coordinates x1, y1 at any point on the line and the slope of that line is m, then this will give me the equation. So I'm going to substitute in here x2, x1 will be negative 2, y1 will be negative 5, and the slope m will be equal to 2. When I do that substitution, I end up with y subtract negative 5, which is y plus 5, is equal to 2 times x subtract negative 2, which is x plus 2. Now let's just write this in some nice form here. How about y plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 4. If I apply the distributive property here, now let me add negative 5 to both sides of this, and I have y is equal to 2x minus 1. So there's the equation of the line that goes through the point negative 2, negative 5, and has a slope of m equal 2. For our next problem, we're going to find the equation of a line that goes through 2 points. I'm going to use my same point-slope form of the equation of a line. First, though, I need to find the slope. M is equal to, how about negative 4 subtract negative 1, which is negative 4 plus 1, divided by negative 2 subtract 1. In the numerator, I have negative 3. In the denominator, I have negative 3. This line has a slope of 1. Now, I can choose either one of these points to work with. Let's work with this one. Y subtract y1, which is negative 4, so that's y plus 4, is equal to m, which is 1, times x minus negative 2, which gives me x plus 2. So y is equal to x plus 2 minus 4. If I subtract 4 from both sides, y is equal to x minus 2. And that's the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points. So I can find the equation of a line through 2 points by first finding the slope and then using my point slope form of the equation of a line.